frozen up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh.
Alright, y'all. Only 10 miles to go. Exactly 10 miles. We're at 3.1. So, I was having a moment back there because I was thinking about my birthday. Oh wait. I was thinking about my birthday and how I would have already set my list. And how I'd be getting his birthday hug because he only gave out hugs for birthdays, Christmas, or New Year's. It's wet, y'all. It's wet. So then I felt like I smelled him. Hold on. I don't know if it's COVID, but people are so rude right now. Like, they just stare at you and say hello or anything. Sorry. Rant. I swear I'm gonna do like a San Antonio Trail Stairs video. That would be fun. So, I was talking about his hug. I was thinking of his hug, and then I felt like I smelled him. Seriously, I picked like the worst time to vlog. So I was saying, I was thinking about his hug back there, and then I felt like I smelled him, and it made me think that he's somewhere with me. He has to be. So, talk about a runner's slump. I lose the energy to come out here. As y'all saw, I didn't make it out before week 8.
I'm in last.
Hi. I didn't make it out for week 8 because I just wasn't feeling it. And I want to get out of bed. I wanted the month to go as quickly as possible. And I wanted to give up every single plan I've had for August. It's hard. It's hard, and if it were easy, everybody would be out here, which it seems like, but it's not. And we'll see how this run goes, because I'm all in my feelings about it. So we'll see. Bye. So the husband showed up to make sure I was okay during these 13, so I feel better now. Besides, nobody finishes alone. I won't. The whole team rooting for me. And if I walk it, and it takes me like 5 hours, I get this done. That's how this grief thing goes. One moment I'm ready to hang up, the shoes and stop. And then next I'm like, no, I got this. I can do this. It's gonna be okay. So, see y'all later. All right, we are at mile 5. I am sweaty. It's not as hot, but it's humid, and I don't do humid, so I brought my little mister thing. So we're gonna try that and see how we do with that. Hello. Hi. You know, if I could unhook it. Hold on. All right. So here's my little mister. Let's see how it does. Oh. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So this is gonna be our new best friend. So I go. Keep on running because got a ways to go. We are at the halfway point, y'all. Halfway point. I think I've been walking the last 2 miles, which is okay. It's fine. Not racing anyone, and it's me versus me. So we always run our own race. Whenever that means you walk a little more of it than you run it. It's hot, but manageable. And yeah. Oops. So, runner slump is when I've been running for a bit, been doing really, really well. Kind of like a baseball player, and then you just go downhill, which is what I have been going downhill with running. Had a really good May. June was okay. July was okay. Well, no, I lie. July was hard because stuff started canceling, and my will to run severely diminished. I don't have a race to train for. I don't have a POT race to train for. But I have kept on working out at home. Just not as much. Struggling with my weight. I'm not where I'm comfortable. So it's just been a battle. Really trying to kick it up for August. I try to get excited. It's my birthday month. Kicked it off with 11 miles. And then it just went. So there's a lot going on in my life. Outside of this vlog, outside of my IG. But all of that to say, there's a lot going on. Work-wise, family-wise, COVID-wise. We're getting too close to me wise. COVID in the sense, not of anyone that I know, thankfully, has been sickened by it, but definitely the quarantine blues. You know, we went into March right after Princess thinking, holy crap, we're gonna do wine and dine, and then we'll be back. You know, the world collapsed, there was no toilet paper, and we thought, oh hey, it's fine. April came and went. May came and went. June came and went. July, I think we were all holding on by a thread, and Disney World opened with all the cases surging. But I have faith in Disney that they wouldn't open unless they felt it was safe to. But we did have to change our Disneyland vacation because that one didn't open. So I get it, it's fine. it's just really hard getting excited about any plans when you don't know what's actually going to happen. So, running, backseat, working out, backseat, eating, front seat. I'm an emotional eater. I either eat at all or I don't eat at all. Lately, it's been I eat at all. So, it's fine. But gaining weight for me is a little deflating. I have the tools. I know what to do. I know what's worked for me in my past, but I just don't want to do it. You know, if I see tacos, I'm gonna eat tacos. If I see ice cream, I'm gonna eat ice cream. If I want a drink, I'm gonna have, you know what, I'm gonna record when we actually get to a quieter place because it's really loud. Sorry, y'all. All right, y'all, we are coming at you from mile 11.2. And I had to phone a friend, because that's how we do this, right? Like I said, no one finishes alone, no one runs alone. So I called my friend Kristen, but y'all may know her as Running and Makeup, because she was like, text me, call me if you need me. So I did. I needed her to get me through the 10-mile wall, and we just talked for a bit. So now we're just gonna finish this out. And feelings, thoughts and feelings. It's hard to run a half by yourself. Not by yourself, but like without the race environment. I really don't do this distance. It's, you know, a race with people. So it is my first 13.1 attempt, because we're not done yet. 13.1 attempt by my course, myself. So, is it easy? No. Is it doable? Yes. It may be a little slower. Really depends on your, you know, your race time. There's a few character stops. And by that I mean little breaks you take, which is fine. I was tired. Hit my wall about mile 10. Actually 7 first. I was going out. Before I turned around, it was hard. I was this close to just calling it. And then I was fine. I pushed through. And then the sun hit me real hard. And I had to phone a friend. So, whatever it takes to get it done, do it. Get yourself some running friends. Even if they're not in your town. They can be virtual. Whoop, sorry, I felt something. And just go out there. I promise, it'll be fun. And worst case scenario, you just say, you know what, and I just did it. So it's my first time doing Seawheeze, because I've never been to Canada. But the goal is to get over there, up there, and do it. So it's not out of the question yet. This is my first one, but not my last. And, you know, just work through your runner slump. It's okay.
Yeah.
He almost ran me over. Look at who almost ran me over. That man right there. Jerk.
Hi.
Hi, how are you feeling?
Tired.
Well, somebody wants to show off that he did 28. Congratulations. Babe, wait, where are you going?
Bye.
Love you. Okay, so intermission. Runner's slump. It happens. You lose your joy of running. When that happens, it could be your distance, your pace, your shoes, your attitude, your mental state. So, if you do hit a slump, know that it's okay. Know that it's okay to take a week off. Know that it's okay to cry about it. Know that it's okay to slow down your pace. It's hot. It's the summer. There's no races to train for. So yeah, our mental state isn't its best, but don't quit. I quit, and I'm sad I quit. I'm sad I gave up something I loved because it brought me joy. And after he passed, I felt I shouldn't be allowed to feel any type, shape, form of joy. And I do. Even though he's not here, he'd be mad if I didn't do the things I love. So, we're gonna do the things we love. We're gonna find our joy in running again. So, if you need help, don't hesitate to send me a message. On Instagram, I see them the most. So handle is @fairytailrunner. Send me a message. I've been there. I've done it. Good Lord, I've power walked this thing. So I'm your girl. Because if I can do it, you can too. So message me. Talk me through it. And we'll make it. We'll get it. It's gonna be awesome. So come back at y'all at the end because I have a feeling I'm gonna finish this. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. We are at 13.09. So, almost there. Almost there. Y'all, we did it. So, we did it. 13.1. It wasn't our best, it wasn't our fastest, but we did it. So, yay! So, that does it for week 8. So be training much better than week 7, and I will see you all next week, and I hope your training is going really, really well.